And Mike, no one loves those near-me photos more than our weather team. They kind of help you guys tell the story of each storm because you can see right out someone's window across the state.
Yeah, we actually got some reports, snow reports in, Hannah, so that was super useful.
Yeah, we love our, and what is it called when there is someone who is monitoring the weather from their home?
Our weather watchers,
yes.
if you will, our weather spotters.
Yes.
Very helpful to us. We help the National Weather Service. It all works pretty nicely. But of course, we also get some fun pictures. It's not all, snow totals and things like that. Here's a great example. Beth sent this in from Kittery Point. And I know we just showed some dogs in the snow, but you can never have too many dog pictures in a newscast or dog videos. So here's one more. It looks like this dog was enjoying those fluffy flakes as they fell. Western Maine clearing out. There are some lighter snow showers still trying to work their way through, but the majority of the accumulation has already happened. So we ended up on the lower side of some of the forecast totals, still keeping a close eye down east. Here's some of that heavier snow that we've been watching too. Let's zoom into Western Maine and tell the story of some of these lighter showers that are moving in. Notice as they fall off the mountains, they look to be slightly more organized. I still don't think that they're going to amount to much, but since roads are already slick, a little bit more reduced visibility, never a good thing. In eastern Maine, that's where we actually still have some of the heavier snow falling. A little bit of a lull right along the coastline from Jonesport to Machias and then all the way to Lubec. Some lighter snow moving in now. Once you head a little farther inland, though, closer to Danforth and Topsfield, we've actually got snow rates picking up a bit. And then there's this heavier band of snow that, again, stretches right now through East Millinocket all the way to Lincoln and maybe a little farther south. Bangor and Brewer, only about 1.5 inches out of this storm. I'm not that surprised just because the snow did stay slightly a little farther to the south than I expected, but still, even as the snow wraps up, I think we'll struggle to actually get 3 inches in Bangor. After this, we're done, though. That's it. Quiet conditions from here on out. Temperatures overnight going to fall down into the teens at the coastline. Some single digits expected inland with that fresh snowpack, especially if we clear out some of the cloud cover. By tomorrow afternoon, things are looking good. A mix of sun and clouds expected for Monday. Temperatures through the day going to top out for most in the 20s, might see 30 at the coastline in a couple of spots, and then it gets wicked cold overnight into Tuesday. I'm expecting widespread temperatures in the single digits Tuesday morning, closer to 10 degrees at the coastline. Here's what I'm still expecting from here on out. We'll end up with that 6+ range far down east. I hesitate to change that just because some of the reports that have been coming in have been in the 2 to 3 inch range and there's still a bit more snow to fall. Do I think that we're going to end up with a foot? Seems unlikely, but still expecting a little bit more down east. That could impact the morning commute tomorrow. We've got another one on the way Tuesday, another light one, maybe a widespread 1 to 3 with this if we can get a little farther north. Then quiet Wednesday, coldest air stays to our west, but Thursday we have to start watching this storm system that begins to develop across the mid-Atlantic because that could start to bump north for Friday and bring yet another threat for some snow, but it still doesn't look like a big one to me. We'll be watching in case that changes. It will be wicked cold out there Thursday morning. I wouldn't even be surprised if we actually ended up with a few more spots dropping below zero, but we still haven't had really prolonged cold. So this week with a lot of high temperatures in the 20s and single digits overnight, this is one of the colder weeks so far this season. Marine forecast tomorrow 4 to 7 feet, northwest wind 15 to 25 knots. 7-day forecast inland, late snow Tuesday, morning flurries Wednesday, afternoon clouds on Thursday and cold Thursday and Friday. Similar idea heading into the weekend. Saturday still looks cloudy but colder. And Hannah, there's some signs that there could be another bigger storm sometime in the Sunday, Monday time range. So maybe this will be the 3rd weekend in a row that we're talking about snow.
I know, staying busy and keeping our weather watchers / spotters busy as well.
We need it. It keeps us out of trouble in the weather office.
All right, well, we'll get to that when we get to that. Thank you, Mike.